welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna tour you around Strendur. Strendur is the name of the village where I live. So yeah, this is my house. Me and my husband lives here. This house is probably like more than 100-year-old. This is such a lovely house we have. This is how it looks like. Yes. So I'm gonna show you around, but first I have to be really careful. Yeah. So this is our house. Lovely, isn't it? And I'd probably walk around this area today, so I can also show you that we have a chicken house. So we get our fresh organic eggs every day. So this is where they live. My husband built this one, and he made it like also black and white windows, just like our house. Yes. And normally when it's good weather, they're out here playing, eating grass. But today, as you can see, it is very, very cold. Extremely cold. Look at that. It is super cold today. Yes. And yeah, we will continue walking around. So I will go around there. And as you can see, here's our neighbor's house. It's also an old house, but I think they have extended and renovated it. So yes, just come with me. In this lovely winter I actually don't know where to pass. I think it is this way. I kind of have to like switch holding the phone, like my hands are like freezing cold. But look how lovely is that? Oh my gosh. So beautiful. So there's footsteps in here. Probably someone has been walking around. And please bear with me if I'm breathing so heavily, because these clothes that I'm wearing right now, they're pretty heavy, like really heavy. They're thick, and they call it kavadrakt. It's like, it's the clothes that you wear when you're walking out in the snow, like what I'm doing right now. But it's pretty warm. It's just quite heavy. Yes. Look at the water. It's frozen. Wow. It's amazing. It's lovely. God is so good, you guys, huh? Like imagine who would have created this. It's really beautiful. Truck here. I saw footsteps, so I guess this is a road. I'm gonna try to bring you somewhere. guys are lovely and cute, but yeah, just stay right where you are. You're lovely. You just stay right there. So that's where my house is. Right here. So that's where I came. So I'm trying to walk up the hill. And there's nobody walking around today because the weather is really crazy. It has been snowing since last night. Holy moly, I'm trying to catch my breath. It is intense. The snow is really thick and heavy to walk on. So I've been walking all the way down here, all the way up here. So yes. A few more push and we're gonna be all the way to the top. You gotta see this, people. Kadto sa NGC. I used to hang out a lot in NGC together with my friends. I live close to NGC and that is like walking distance from where I lived before. So, from Bacoleña. I'm from Bacoleña. I'm proud to be a Bacoleña. Crazy lovely weather. Grandma lives somewhere down there, like next to that house, like that one. That's where my brother-in-law lives. Sorry for the wind noises. On the way home, but the weather is getting